In the quiet of a snowy suburban night, a loyal golden retriever waits alone, his breath fogging the air as hope seems to fade with each gust. Abandoned and forgotten, he curls tighter against the cold, his golden fur now a ghostly white, whispering pleas into the merciless storm. Hours pass like eternities. His body aches from the chill, yet those faithful eyes search the shadows for a familiar face. The storm rages on, testing his spirit, but deep within, a flicker of trust holds him steady against the biting frost. As night yields to weary dawn, a kind stranger spots him, her heart aching at the sight of his lonely vigil in the white expanse. She kneels in the snow, voice soft and reassuring, reaching out to the brave soul whose eyes mirror her own swelling compassion.